Welcome to Engine Explorer. Today, we're diving into something that's not just a vehicle. It's a rolling palace on wheels. Meet the 2026 Kenworth W900 Luxury Motorhome, a legendary American truck transformed into the most outrageous luxury RV you've ever seen. And trust me, you won't believe your eyes when we take you inside. From the moment this beast rolls up, it demands attention. That classic long-nosed Kenworth W900 silhouette still stands tall. But now it's paired with a custom double-floor RV, body that redefines over-the-road living. The paint job is nothing short of artwork. A mirror-finished chrome grille, matte black and gold metallic detailing, and hand-painted stripes that scream prestige. Under the hood, the Cummins X15 engine, pushing over 565 horsepower and massive torque, more than enough to haul this luxury mansion with confidence. Whether you're climbing steep grades or cruising flat highways, this motorhome isn't just moving, it's gliding. But the real magic happens once you step inside. The entrance opens with an automatic slide-out stair system, revealing a first impression that feels more like stepping into a private jet than an RV. The interior, crafted with Italian leather upholstery, real wood paneling, and custom LED lighting that adapts to day or night. It's not just luxury, it's tailored luxury. Now let's talk space. This isn't your typical one-floor RV. The Kenworth W900 Motorhome features a double-level interior, thanks to its raised roof structure and clever split-level design. Downstairs, you'll find a full gourmet kitchen. We're talking stainless steel appliances, marble countertops, induction cooktop, convection oven, and even a built-in wine cooler. The living lounge is cinematic, featuring a 75-inch 4K smart TV, Dolby Atmos surround sound, and a reclining theater sofa with massage and heating functions. Want to work on the go? There's a built-in workspace with 5G connectivity, solar-powered power banks, and a noise-canceling booth for video calls. Head upstairs and you're in the master suite, and it's beyond stunning. A California king bed, panoramic skylights, walk-in closet, and a rainfall shower inside a spa-like bathroom with smart glass privacy walls. Oh, and did we mention the floor heating? Outside, this RV continues to impress. Custom pop-out sections expand living space. There's a built-in outdoor kitchen, a hydraulic sun deck with a hot tub, and 360-degree exterior cameras with night vision. You could live off-grid for weeks thanks to its massive water tanks, lithium battery system, and 2000W solar array. This 2026 Kenworth W900 Motorhome isn't just a showpiece, it's a statement. A bold fusion of trucking heritage and ultra-modern living. Engineered for those who don't just drive, they travel in style. So what do you think? Is this the future of luxury motorhomes? Or the ultimate send-off for the iconic Kenworth W900? Drop your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.